If you manage a team, you already carry a rough map of it in your head. Who is thriving, who is coasting, and who could do far more given the chance. The 9-box talent grid gets that map onto one page, where you can actually act on it. It works on 2 simple scores. Performance is how well someone delivers in their role today. Potential is how much more they could take on in future. Keep them apart because a brilliant performer who is happy where they are is not the same as a future leader, and the grid is built to tell them apart. On the Talent Grid tab, you list your people and pick 2 scores from the drop-downs. That is all you do. The box, the zone, and a suggested focus fill in automatically, placing each person from talent risk in the corner to star at the top. No dragging names around. The Calibration Grid shows your whole team on the classic 3x3, with a live count in every box. It is the view to put on screen in a talent review, so the conversation starts from the picture. An empty top row is a succession gap, a crowd in one box is assigned to calibrate. The box summary gives you 1 row per box. The head count, the share of the team, a suggested focus, and the named list of exactly who is in it. Bring it straight into the meeting, who your stars are, who might be a flight risk, and who has been quietly overlooked. Every box comes with a suggested focus, from develop and retain to coach or refit the role, and 4 written guides walk through the method: how to score the 2 axes fairly, how to read the grid for risk, and a printable wall chart for the calibration meeting itself. Best of all, you own the file outright. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice with no seats and no monthly subscription. It is the structure you keep, sitting between a blank spreadsheet and an expensive talent platform built for a company 10 times your size. The 9-box Talent Grid is a one-time purchase, yours forever. Find it on Ardent Workshop or Etsy, and try the free single team starter grid first if you like. Own your talent reviews, don't rent them.